In this video, we are going to be looking at company management module. So here we have the company plan, subscription, and utilization review. So let's quickly go through the four. So the company module, this is where you add the new company. You can also view the existing company right here, and you can also update and delete existing companies. So you can filter this table, you can filter it with the status. You can ask for the system to give you all the companies, the ones that are pending approvals, the ones that has been approved, and the ones that has been delisted. And you can also search. You can search using the search feature that we have here. So this is the company name, this is the phone number, the email address, the region, the alternative email action. You have the buttons. So if you want to view, you want to edit, you want to delist, and you want to see this subsidiary, you can actually click here. So here is for adding new company. So let's add new company first. Let's see how to add new company before we come back to these other buttons. So when you click on add new company, you can actually enter the company information, name, and so on and so forth. So you can enter them right there. And then like we mentioned earlier under the provider module, the local government will not populate unless you first select your state. So after selecting the state, the local government will populate. The local government field will populate. And here, if you look at this, we have client manager. You will see that it's not populating. So you also have to select. Your regional manager before the client manager will populate. And if you look here, you will see that the regional manager is not also populating because we did not pick the region. So you need to pick the region. So North Central. Then after that, this will populate. You pick this, and after that, this will populate. So that's just it. So now, after that, you can view the information you have entered. You can view everything. You can edit. You can edit the information you entered. You can delist. So anyone that you delist, their enrollees, their employees won't be able to access care again. You can also see their subsidiary. So if you click here, it will show you the subsidiary for the company. You can see the subsidiary here. You can edit it, you can delete it, and if you want to add new subsidiary, you can actually click here to add new subsidiary for this company. So that's for this. Now the next one is company plan. So for the company plan, we have the table. You can search, you can add new company plan. So if you want to add new company plan, you need to first select the company from this drop down. You will select the company plans, then company plan name, age limit, dependent age limit, discount that you want to give per enrollee, discount on total, annual, premium price, allow the number of encounter that is allowed for this particular plan, description. If you want to allow dependents, you can actually add it here and save this. And you can come here to view the plans that has been added for this company plan. So I can click on plan. This will show you all the plans that has been added. You can click on any specific plan to hide it. For example, if I want to hide this, I will click on this and I will hide the plan. You can use this to import benefits from another plan. So this is a plan. I can come here, look for another plan to import benefit from here to here. So I can do that. You can move to the right side of the screen, view the details, view the plan. You can edit the plan. You can edit it, and you can also customize. You can customize the plan. So you can click here to customize it. So when you click on customize, it brings you to this page. This is where you can customize your plan. We have some tabs here, so you can see the benefits. So you can see the list of benefits, benefit category, description, number of benefits inside the category. You can see everything. You can filter, you can expand it right here. You can expand it here. Benefits limits, so you can check if you have any benefit limit. Benefit approvals, so benefits are waiting approval. You can see them here. Your exclusions, you can see all the exclusions, and you can filter. You can actually search here. And provider, so all the providers under this particular benefit, so you can see them here. So if there's no provider under this benefit, you can add provider. Just click on add. You can upload them, or you can add them. Just search, just enter the name of the provider and add, save it. So you can also delete all the providers that has been added. So what else? Under the benefits, you can add new benefits. So you can add benefits manually. You can remove all benefits. So benefit limits, you can add limits to the benefits, and so on and so forth. So that is for benefits, and that covers the company plan. So this one is subscription. So subscription, so these are subscription management module. Here you can see the total number of companies. You can see companies with subscription, companies without subscription, companies that are expiring soon. And here, if you want to add new subscription, you just click on this button and add new subscription. Search for company that you want to add the subscription for. Subscription subscription mode. Maybe you want to add the subscription for only parent company. Maybe you want to add subscription for parent company and subsidiary, or maybe you want to add the subscription for only the subsidiaries. So you can add them. You can add the duration. When is the subscription starting? Let's say it starts from 1st of May 2026. You can actually pick the duration, 12 months. That will automatically calculate the end date of the subscription. You can put your notes and submit. So that's for subscription. So for the subscription also, you can expand this, so to see the other subscriptions that you have under a particular subscription. So we have other subscriptions, and you can scroll to the right. You can view, you can edit. So this one is to view the subscriptions that you have. This particular button is for editing. So if you want to edit it, you can use this button to edit. And what else? You can come here to prevent suspension. So if the subscription will expire maybe monthly, quarterly, or biannually, and you don't want it to expire, you can actually enter the invoice ID, the date that it will expire. So if you want the subscription to continue running after expiration, you can actually click here. You can check this so that the subscription will continue to run even after expiration. But if you don't do that, once the subscription expire, so it's gone. And finally, sorry, not finally, but you can also suspend all. So if I want to suspend all the subscription under this first record, I will click here and it will suspend all. So that's for subscription. And finally, under company management, so you can see utilization review. You can actually see what the company has utilized. So here we have Alpha Design Nigeria Limited. Alpha Design, that's the subsidiary. You can actually see the utilization for 2021 to 2022. So you can see the policy period from year to year, and you can view the uploaded documentation for them, so you can actually see their utilization right here. Yeah, so you can see the breakdown and every information, and you can download it and send it to them. So that is for utilization. If you can also edit this information. Maybe you want to change the policy period to another date, you can actually do that. So thank you very much. So in the next video we'll be talking about enrollee management.